Hi, I'm Christy. I represent District 9 of Knox County Schools and am currently serving as the school board chair. We were presented an opportunity to replace the lighting at 40+ ball fields across 13 school campuses. Through energy conservation efforts, we were very interested.
Some of the headaches we had at Hardin Valley before this project was a lot of overspill lighting. Our school is kind of nestled in a neighborhood area, so anytime we had an event, we had a lot of excess light being shot into our neighbors' backyards, which really created an issue for some of the families. We had a parent bring his kids in their pajamas up to the school one night during a football game saying, "These lights are keeping my kids awake. My kids can't sleep because of these lights being on."
I think one of the biggest things I experienced as a previous coach here is just the timing, how long it took for our lights to turn on. In the situation where we knew that we were going to need lighting, we had to plan ahead, 15-20 minutes at least to give those bulbs time to come on and light. And even when they were on, we would get feedback all the time from reporters or people in the media that there were dark spots on the field. They couldn't get good lighting to shoot video or even still photography of some of our players.
Hi, I'm Zane Foraker. I'm the energy manager for Knox County, so they rely on me to keep the utility bills as low as possible. That's my main goal. When analyzing all the available options, early on, it became very clear that the Ephesus system was the clear winner. The new systems meet every requirement that we developed and exceeded our expectations. Having truly transformed our athletic spaces, our surrounding communities can rest assured that we've chosen systems with the lowest total cost of ownership and that are backed by our industry-leading partners. It's safe to say that we're very happy with our Ephesus lighting system.